at this stage, really, you're just limited by the knowledge that you have with code. So just to show you the power of code and how you can manipulate these themes in a more advanced way, if you have a look at your home page, it annoys me a little bit because there's such a distance between the top bar and the logo. So what I like doing is just moving the logo up. There aren't any options by default which are going to allow you to do this, so you have to add a little bit of code. So in order to find out what you need to edit, if you right click in the area and inspect the element, this is in Chrome, you can see here that if I select header, you've got this green bit and an orange bit, and that's all padding. So that's preventing the text from moving up the top. So padding just helps display text on the web page. So if I select padding top and just deselect it, you can see that the text moves. So what we're going to do is, what we're doing here is we're taking the code out, but we're going to take it out completely, the code, so the text moves up a little bit, and it just for me makes it look a little bit neater. So we're going to take this text out, so we need to edit some code. So I've worked out what we need to edit because this is going to help us here. So I'm just going to copy this, or not, Control C that. So that's the tag that I want to use in a little bit. So I close that. So if I go back to my editor, go to Appearance, and then select Editor, these are all the files that make up the theme on the right hand side. Now with this theme, we've got a custom CSS page, and what I can do here now is I can add code here, and that's going to overwrite anything that's currently on the website. So the tag I need here is this header tag, and then I'm going to use a squirrely bracket, and then what I need to type here is padding top colon, and then I'm going to give it just 5 pixels. Okay, so once I've typed in that, update the file. When I go back now, the shoes should move up a little bit. There we go. So for me, that just looks a little bit better. I can do the same with the bottom here also. So if I right click, inspect element, you can see now, hopefully by clicking on this, you can see that the code you just entered's now appeared here. So without it, it was like that, and because you've entered code, now it's moved the text up. So I'm going to try and now get rid of the padding underneath. So you can see by taking out this code, it does help. So padding bottom. So let's just add some more code. So back to the editing option, Appearance, Editor, and I've selected the custom CSS again, and now I'm going to type in padding bottom. I'm going to give it 5 pixels. So update the file. Shoes are us. There we go. So it has moved slightly up. But this is just really to give you an example. Now, if you wanted to, you'd need to work out how to get rid of the orange part. Actually, let's see what we can do here. So let's open that. So where's the padding? So we're just looking for the padding to begin with. So it should be wrapped in there. And there we go. So that's going to help. So header H group, that's what it's called. So I need that. Go back to my editor, make a new line, and then I can't remember what it's called. Let's find that again. H group. So it was the margin bottom. So it's just a case of overwriting it. Margin bottom, going to give it 5 pixels again, semicolon, update the file, and then there we go. So that for me looks a little bit better now.